Hi students, I welcome you all. My name is Simran and I will teach you a lot of things about this subject. So we will be studying about our neighborhood, our family first of all, then what kind of neighborhood do we have, all the things around our neighborhood, how should we behave when we are out, and then sky above us and all the associated phenomena with that. So let us begin.
My loving family. Now let's start. Answer the following. How many members are there in your family? कितने members आपकी family में हैं? 1, 2, 3. According to that, you will write the number here. Do you live in a nuclear family or joint family? So students, we have already learned about both these kinds of family. Nuclear means small family, just your parents, your siblings. Joint family in which your grandparents, your uncles, your aunts, your cousins also live with you. So you have to tell according to your family what kind of family do you live in. And then who is the head of your family? Is it your father or mother, grandfather, grandmother? Who is it? You have to write down here. So we all live in a family. A family is a group of people who are related to each other and live together in the same house. Members of a family love each other and take care of each other's needs, and family is the first school and elders are our first teachers. So एक family में आप रहते हो, everybody takes care of each other, everybody loves each other, and then your family and your elders are like your first school and first teachers जहाँ पे आप बहुत सारी चीजें सीखते हो, like good manners, how to behave, and a lot of different things. Now, different kinds of family. So there are different types of families, such as a small family, and the small family has father, mother, and 1 or 2 children living together. It is also called a nuclear family. Then we have a joint family. A joint family has grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and cousins living together in the same house. It is also called a large family. The family members get a lot of support in times of difficulties, and the happiness is also shared by all the family members. And the third is your single parent family. A single parent family has children living either with the mother or father. So in any type of family, all the family members have some role to play. So small family means it's just your parents and your siblings. Joint family में your uncle, aunts, grandparents, everybody lives together, and obviously because सब साथ में रहते हैं, they take care of each other, they love each other. तो difficulties के टाइम में मुश्किल जब आती है तो भी वो साथ खड़े रहते हैं. And third है single parent family, जिसमें either of the parent के साथ आप रहते हैं, या तो mother या तो father. Irrespective आपकी किसी भी टाइप की फैमिली में आप रहते हो, आपको प्यार अपनी फैमिली से मिलता ही है. Now, relationships in our family. So there are many relationships in a family. Mother and father are called parents. Father's parents are called paternal grandparents. Mother's parents are called maternal grandparents. Fathers and mothers' brothers are called uncles. And fathers and mothers' sisters are called aunts. Aunts and uncles' children are called cousins. So बहुत सारे relationship होते हैं, like आपके जो मम्मी पापा होते हैं वो आपके पेरेंट्स होते हैं. पापा के जो मम्मी पापा होते हैं वो पैटर्नल साइड के ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होते हैं. मम्मी के साइड के जो आपके मम्मी पापा होते हैं, मम्मी के मम्मी पापा होते हैं, वो आपके मैटर्नल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होते हैं. फादर्स के जो ब्रदर्स होते हैं वो आपके अंकल्स होते हैं. मम्मी की और जो उनकी सिस्टर्स होती हैं, दे आर योर आंट्स. सिमिलरली आपका फादर और मदर्स जो होते हैं, उनकी जो सिस्टर्स होती है, यू कॉल देम आंट्स. एंड आंट्स एंड अंकल्स चिल्ड्रन आर योर कजिन्स. There are a whole lot of different relationships in a family. Now, a family tree. So a family tree shows how the members of a family are related to each other. All the people born around the same time from a generation, and your grandparents, parents, you, your brothers and sisters form 3 different generations. तो बहुत सारे relationships होते हैं, family tree आपकी बनती है, जो एक ही generation के लोग होते हैं, वो आपका एक ही age group के जो लोग होते हैं, they form a common generation. Like your grandparents, चारों जितने भी आपके grandparents होंगे वो सारे एक generation के हैं, उनके बच्चे दूसरी generation का formation करते हैं, उनके बच्चे जो आप हो वो तीसरी generation का formation करते हैं. So अलग अलग age groups अलग अलग generation का formation करते हैं. That's like how the family tree is made. Like here you can see, let's see. So you have grandfather and grandmother, the first generation, then father, mother, uncle, aunt, bua, whosoever it is, they form the second generation, and then brother, sister, all of your cousins are your third generation. Now, good to know, when any member of the family gets married or when a child is born in the family, a new member is added to the family, and this is how a family tree grows and its branches grow. So how does it happen? किसी ना किसी के घर में आप देखेंगे शादी होती है, उसके बाद किसी ना किसी का बच्चा होता ही रहता है. तो ऐसे आपका फैमिली ट्री ग्रो करता रहता है, आपके सिबलिंग्स बनते हैं, आपके कजन्स ऐड ऑन होते रहते हैं. दैट्स हाउ आपका फैमिली ट्री एक्सपैंड करता रहता है. Now, surname is the family name which every member of the family has. It is always written with the first name. For example, in case of Raman Joshi, Raman is the first name and Joshi is the surname. तो हर एक फैमिली में surname होता है, आपका भी surname होगा, मेरा भी surname है. जैसे यहाँ पे example दिया गया है Raman Joshi. तो Raman is the first name, Joshi is the surname. Family resemblance. So members of a family often resemble each other in looks, likes or dislikes. Such similarities are passed on to them through their parents, and these similarities are called hereditary features. When two children born at the same time to one mother, they are called the twins. Twins may or may not look like each other, and twins who look similar are called identical twins. अब आप एक ही फैमिली में जब आप पैदा होते हैं, चाहे आप अंकल के बच्चों को ले लीजिए, मम्मी पापा के अपने बच्चे होते हैं, जिस पूरी फैमिली में कहीं ना कहीं उनके फीचर्स, फिजिकल फीचर्स, हाउ दे लुक, हाउ टॉल दे आर, व्हाट कलर देयर स्किन इज, वो कुछ आपकी सिमिलर हो जाती है. व्हाई? बिकॉज एक फैमिली है, जीन्स आपके कहीं ना कहीं मेल खाएंगे ही खाएंगे, थोड़ी बहुत सिमिलैरिटीज आपकी देखने को मिल जाती है. देन कम्स द कैटेगरी ऑफ ट्विन्स, जुड़वा जिसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं. कुछ ट्विन्स ऐसे भी होते हैं जो नॉन आइडेंटिकल होते हैं, जिनकी शक्लें एग्जैक्टली नहीं मिलती, और जिन ट्विन्स की शक्लें एग्जैक्टली मिलती हैं, वी कॉल देम द आइडेंटिकल ट्विन्स. Now let's see students, how family is important to us. जरूरी क्यों है? So family is an important part of our lives. We will live together, love each other and share our things with each other. We also care for and help each other. Loving and sharing brings happiness and joy in our family. तो एक फैमिली में आप रहते हो, दुख खुशियां सब आपस में आप बांटते हैं, and you take care of each other. This becomes the prime reason why a family is important. So here are some family values that are common to all: looking after the needs of each other, obeying and respecting elders, being polite and courteous, eating meals together, spending time with each other and appreciating others and their efforts. So ये कुछ basic चीजें हैं, किसी की भी family हो, बड़ों की रिस्पेक्ट करना, ओबे करना, पोलाइट रहना, सारी चीज़ें ढंग से करना, एक दूसरे के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना, एक दूसरे की बातें मानना, ये आपकी सारी फैमिलीज में ही बेसिक होता है, जो आप हर फैमिली में देखेंगे ही. Now good to know, brothers and sisters are called siblings. आपके जो भाई बहन होते हैं उसको siblings बोलते हैं. Now let's take a test. Write the correct relation. The father of your mother is your maternal grandfather. Likewise, please answer the rest of the questions also. Now let's revise. A group of people who live in the same house and are related to each other is known as family. Families are of different kinds: nuclear family, joint family and single parent family. A family tree helps us understand the relationship between all the members of our family. The members of a family resemble each other as they share hereditary features. Members of a family love and care for each other. They also spend time with each other, and brothers and sisters are called siblings. तो हमने family के अलग अलग types और relationships के बारे में इस chapter में अच्छे से पढ़ा. Now students, practice time. Take the correct answer. Family is our first school. Option A. All members from your mother's family are called, option A, maternal relatives. The first generation of a family includes the grandparents. Option C. All members from your father's family is called paternal relatives. Option B. Now fill in the blanks. Parents belong to the second generation. When parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts and their children stay together in a house, it's called a joint family. Brothers and sisters are called siblings. Dash are born together and resemble each other, twins. Now write true or false. In a joint family, cousins also live with us. True. A nuclear family is a big family. False. We must fight with our brothers and sisters. Never. So this is also false. So our family is not very important for us. False. Birth of a baby adds a new member to the family. True. Now answer the following questions. What do you understand by a family? Now answer the following questions. What do you understand by a family? A family is something in which different members live together, which is a part of a family, and they take care of each other, they love each other, and we have different kinds of family like joint family, nuclear family and single parent family. Likewise, you have to answer the rest of the points also. Now skills builder. Draw your family tree. आपको यहाँ पर अपना खुद का घर का family tree यहाँ पर draw करना है. Who are the people with whom you live at your home? Make an album of your family members by pasting their pictures in your scrapbook. Write their relationships with you and what you call them at home. आपके घर में कौन कौन family members हैं, उनके pictures paste करिए and किस नाम से आप उनको बुलाते हैं. Just write down here. Then prepare a card for your favorite family member showing how much you like him or her. आपका जो भी फैमिली फेवरेट आपकी जो भी फेवरेट फैमिली मेंबर है घर में, उनके लिए एक प्यारा सा कार्ड बनाइए एंड देन टेल ऑल्सो एंड शो देम ऑल्सो व्हाई डू यू लव देम सो मच एंड हाउ मच यू लाइक देम. लाइफ स्किल. We should be respectful to our elders and we should never speak rudely to them. Elders की respect करिए और rudely बदतमीजी से elders से बात.
So students, I hope you've understood each and everything that I have taught you with the exercises. Just follow whatever I have told you and do the exercises properly.